In this pencast, we will be applying the relationships that exist when the altitude is drawn to the hypotenuse of a right triangle. Okay, so first let's look at this problem. Write similarity statements for three similar triangles in the diagram, then complete the proportion. Okay, so we have this big triangle, ABC, and the altitude here is the line DB. So it's drawn perpendicular to the hypotenuse of the triangle through point B. Alright, so the theorem we have that applies to altitude is if the altitude is drawn to the hypotenuse of a right triangle, then the two triangles formed are similar to the original triangle and to each other. Okay, so basically we can write three similarity statements. So first we know that the two triangles formed are similar to the original triangle. Okay? So the two triangles formed here, let's see, are this one, this is one, and that's the second one right here. Okay, so we need to write similarity statements for those to be similar to the original triangle. So we're going to say triangle ABC is similar. Okay, so now we need to figure out what order we need to name the sides of CD and B. Okay, so this is named so AB and then BC. So the long side first and then the short side. So in triangle BDC, the long side is BD, right here. And then here's the right angle right here, and the short side is BC. So we should name this triangle BDC. Okay, so that's one similarity statement. So now we can say that triangle ABC is also similar to triangle number 2 right here. So we want to name this long side, short side. This is the right angle. So we name this triangle ADB. Similarity statement number 2. Okay, so now it also says in this theorem that the two triangles formed are similar to each other. So let's start with triangle BDC. Okay? So long side, short side, right here. So now we want to say that that's similar to triangle 2, right? So that's going to be triangle ADB. And that is our three similarity statements. Okay, so now we need to finish this proportion. So it says AD over BD is equal to something over CD. Okay, so AD is this side right here, and BD is this side right here. So that's the long side of triangle 2. So this is the long side of 2. And this right here is the short side of 2. Okay, so CD right here is part of triangle 1, right? So it is the short side of triangle 1. So what we need up here is the long side of triangle 1. Okay, so the long side of triangle 1 is actually BD. So that's how we complete that proportion.